How to solve Capcut No Internet Problem in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go back to settings and tap on cellular and make sure the toggle button for CapCut is enabled, and if not, then enable it, as this problem might occur for CapCut may not have permission to use the data. The next fix is you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart often fixes temporary connection bugs. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in settings again, go ahead and make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs commonly block CapCut servers. Now, in settings again, tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, make sure background app refresh is set to Wi-Fi and mobile data, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for CapCut. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for CapCut and make sure the CapCut application is updated to its latest version. Now, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Here, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone, as sometimes the apps may not work properly if you are using an outdated version of iOS. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset, and then on reset network settings. Reset your network settings and see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then the last fix for this issue is go back to your home screen and tap hold on the CapCut application. Here, tap on Remove app and then tap on Delete app and then tap on Delete. Once deleted, reinstall the app from your app store and log in again, and by now, your issue should have been fixed. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Capcut No Internet Problem in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.